Today I explain types of computer networks. These are some types: LAN, WAN, WAN. LAN stands for local area network. WAN stands for metropolitan area network. WAN stands for wide area network. LAN connects devices in a limited geographical area such as home, office, building, or campus. Example. Home network, office network, hospital network, etc. Man connects a device in a metropolitan area such as city or town. Example. Cable television network. Cable television network. Citywide Wi-Fi network. WAN connects device in over a large geographical area such as continent, country. Example. Internet service. Banking network. Internet service provides network.